Hello, this is Shenzhen Spring PCB. May I help you?
Can you complete two expected orders of 8 layers PCB?
Okay, may I know the lead time and the square meter of your expected order?
It's 1 square meters and I need 4 days lead time.
Our standard lead time is 7 days and we can be expected within 3 days. Please send the inquiry to our email address. Also, may I add your WhatsApp?
Okay, I send the email to you right now.
Okay, bye-bye.
Time is competitiveness. Fast delivery. Power your innovation.
In the electronic manufacturing industry, time is compactness. We know that quick delivery is important to you. So we are committed to provide efficient and reliable PCB manufacturing service.
Shenzhen Spring PCB have many years of experience in PCB manufacturing, increased rates at one production increment, and a professional team to ensure that every PCB can meet the highest standard.
From order received to production, we optimize every link to ensure faster response. Through automatic production line and strict quality inspection, we are able to deliver high-quality PCB products in the shortest time.
Our quick-time delivery service has helped many customers to get their product to market quickly. Whether it is small batch customization or large-scale production, we can meet your needs. True quick delivery service means true
Shenzhen Spring PCB.
Contact us now to experience efficient and reliable PCB manufacturing service.